Hello and welcome. This video was designed to introduce you to the PractiCAM CAD estimation package by MetalLab Inc., a leading provider of CAD/CAM estimating systems for HVAC and mechanical trades. PCAMS was designed to be a standalone system or can be added to virtually any MetalLab program, including, but not limited to, PractiCAD, PractiRev, or PractiCAM, the world's leading HVAC CAM software. In this video, we will be demonstrating everything with the PractiCAM estimation package for Windows. With the introduction of MetalLab's new PractiCAD or PractiCAM design suites, these products uniquely share all data between products that can easily be updated across a network. This is a true single source solution. As you can see here, we are showing the estimating or drawing window in the PractiCAM design suite. Notice the bins with our custom fittings, tags, reports, and tools as we slowly display them here in PractiCAM. Then we will switch over to PractiCAD and you will see the exact same setup. This is because each product of the suite can share 100% of its data with any other product. And with proper privileges, you can read or write from any system at any time. This means PractiCAM, CAD, Pipe, Est, or Rev, as you were seeing in this last window. Anyone who has managed a database of several systems at once knows the time wasted adjusting things over and over again between different systems. This single source solution resolves that issue and allows the user to control all data from one location if desired, saving countless hours of trying to maintain consistency between databases of different software products. This is a must-have feature for any company managing between departments like manufacturing, drafting, or estimating. In addition to single-source data between products, MetalLab has built a universal data structure that allows us to transfer drawings in between different PractiCAD CAM programs. To demonstrate this here, we are showing an estimate drawing done inside of PractiCAM estimation. Then we will export this drawing and save it as an MLD or MetalLab data file. Notice it is asking for the option to include the cost information or not before saving. Next, we will go directly into PractiCAD and hit the import button so we can import this file directly. This way, if we got the job from our bid or estimate drawing, the drafting department can simply continue using that drawing instead of redrawing the same thing. And this is not just for AutoCAD. As you can see here, the same MLD file will be imported into MetalLab's PractiRev product for Revit. This interoperability allows us to easily take drawings or prints through the entire life cycle of the project instead of having to redraw. Drawings can go either direction between any product MetalLab offers, including PractiCAD, Pipe, CAM, Rev, Est, or Nav. The Duct line tool is one of the most robust tools ever built into the PractiCAM CAD suite. It is designed to automate virtually everything you need to do, from an estimate off a printed file to full BIM coordination in products like AutoCAD, Revit, or Navisworks. This tool comes part of both the PractiCAM design suites and PractiCAD design suites, meaning it works on PractiCAD, PractiRev, or just PractiCAM estimating for Windows. For the purposes of demonstrating this tool, we will be using the PractiCAM estimating and tracing a variety of prints. Looking at this tool, you can see how fast and easy the Duct line makes it to trace a flat print and convert it into an estimate, a 3D CAD file, which can be exported to PractiCAD or PractiRev, and then fully downloadable to PractiCAM, the most advanced manufacturing system in the world for sheet metal and HVAC. The days of estimating with one software, then drafting in another and inputting into a third system, re-inputting the same dimensional data again and again is over. The PractiCAM CAD design suite resolved this problem, bringing you seamless integration between CAD, CAM, and estimating. DuctLine automates the drafting process into simple clicks. All fittings are generated automatically on the fly, such as size changes and turns. Fittings can be logic-driven to automate which one gets used where. GRDs can be automatically generated at the right elevations and connected with large varieties of choices between flex, pipe, collars, grill cans, and more. Elevations are automatically created and accurate, whether you're drawing a riser straight up and down or sloping between points. Even roll angles are easy to estimate and draw within plan view. In addition to fitting selection, the Duct line is optimizing the line to avoid collisions between flanges and taps and automatically adding or subtracting straights out of your fittings to leave you with the most economical system you can build. Bottom line, this tool is designed to help you save money and time. Not only does PractiCAM estimating have the ability to account for everything that you make, but also everything that you buy. This includes, but is not limited to, dampers, tie rods, stiffeners, vanes, slips and drives, ductmate frames, clips, corners, bolts, gaskets, etc. Material stocks and tables for both metal and liner, and a very robust catalog mechanism allows you to create catalog for the things you buy. See here how we have created a short adjustable elbow catalog out of a PractiCAM elbow, sizes 6 through 18. Now those that can be fabricated with PractiCAM, notice here on the right we have marked each of these items as ordered. When an item is marked ordered, which indicates a purchased item, we send everything to a centralized pricing database in the software where we can price each item out for both item cost and labor time, as you see here. This goes for straight ducts and fittings, assemblies, catalog items, GRDs, flex, and more. Besides being able to edit everything you need directly in PractiCAM, we can also import and export the entire database to Excel for fast and easy editing. Here we're going to export our database and name it all catalog items. Now looking at Excel, you can see we have all of our purchased items in one place, broken up into several convenient tabs, including catalogs, grills and air devices, ductwork, material stocks, and more. Now all one has to do is simply go to the tab they want and start updating their pricing directly within Excel. Here we will update our ductwork catalog tab and put in the pricing for these short adjustable elbows we created. We will give them a price and installation and labor time. Once complete, we will simply hit the Save key in Excel and then go back into PractiCAM's central pricing database and find the Import button. Once we select our All Catalog Items Excel sheet and open it, you will see that all the pricing in the software will update at once. It's that simple. PractiCAM's central database makes editing your costs quick and easy to do the way you want. Here we will demonstrate the estimation box in PractiCAM Estimating. This box displays pricing on whatever you are working on in real time. You can see here as it creates a list of everything we draw and displays custom pricing data like material and labor. Note, normally this is kept open on another screen, but for purpose of this video, we will just open and close it as needed. If you were watching closely, we had about 55 items on the drawing, and the cost of our project was about $6,600. However, after we take off this line, using PractiCAM Estimation's Duct Line tool, the estimation box will now display our new data, which includes about 62 items and a new total around $7,300. Lastly, to finish this section off, we will draw the last branch you see here, and then we'll check again. This estimation box gives you a real-time feel when estimating and also lets you draw different things and price them out quickly to see which way to build would be the most economical. For example, draw in rectangular duct, get a price from the estimation box, convert that line to round, get a price, and then pick which one is cheaper. And remember, everything can be instantly reported or fabricated directly from this estimate. If you're not always estimating from prints, you can always quote directly from PractiCAM as your customers call in their orders. Here on the bottom, you can see PractiCAM totaling up all the fittings for material and labor that we punched into our takeoff. To add a fitting, we just select the one we want, choose our specifications, change our parameters, and PractiCAM is estimating everything on the left based on whichever estimating method you built or chose. Here we are watching the estimating data updating in real time. Now from here we can simply add this to our quote or even send this fitting to Plasma to burn. Let's do that again. We'll simply grab the fitting we want to use. Next we'll pick up a transition. We select our manufacturing specifications, which automatically selects everything for you from gauge and connectors to tie rods and accessories. Now just punch in our dimensions and hit burn or add to takeoff. PractiCAM continues to update the estimates as you go. This makes quoting walk-in customers or call-ins quick and easy. And again, if your customer accepts the price, you're just one click away from sending this takeoff to the CNC cutting machine of your choice. Having an all-in-one system saves countless hours of double and triple inputting. One of the most important things to mention is the direct link between your PractiCAM and your estimation system. Not only are these databases completely identical and linked, making it easy to manage data between departments, but once you're done estimating or drafting, you are one click away from downloading direct to your Plasma if you wish. Typically, when you estimate with other systems, if you get the job, you will now have to re-input all the dimensional data into a separate CAD or CAM system, depending on the work you do. This literally means double or triple inputting the exact same data over and over. But with PractiCAM's CAD-CAM-S integration, we don't have to lose precious time to double and triple inputting. Here you can see as we highlight a drawing and download it direct to PractiCAM. Looking through the takeoff we downloaded, we can see exactly what needs to be ordered and what needs to be fabricated. Everything that is being manufactured is already nested and ready to cut. And don't forget that because PractiCAM is a manufacturing system that does nesting, it knows exactly how much metal you're using for fittings you make or in the scrap. Labels are already printing and ready to be scanned if you're interested in doing tracking. PractiCAM reports are generated instantly, showing exactly what you're using or purchasing. And as you may know, there is nothing inside PractiCAM that is not reportable. And lastly, With the touch of a button, your CNC tables are burning your duct. Again, one-time input for estimating CAD and CAM, all inside one single software suite, the PractiCAM Design Suite. There are so many features built into PractiCAM estimation software it is impossible to cover them in one video. However, the ones we covered in this video each have their own advantages. This includes the duct line tool for taking off prints quickly and with ease, access to accurate and flexible material and labor tables, ability to quickly key in fittings called in from your staff or customers for instant pricing, shared databases between all systems so data only needs to be keyed in once, ability to download direct from your estimates and fabricate instantly from your takeoff, or complete integration between CAD/CAM estimating, all from one software design suite. The bottom line is using the power of PractiCAM estimation on its own, or having it integrate with other MetaLab packages like PractiCAM, PractiCAD, PractiPipe, PractiRevit, or PractiNav will help you seamlessly transition from one part of your project lifecycle to another. Bid faster with PractiCAM CAD estimation, BIM faster with PractiCAD or PractiRevit, and build faster with PractiCAM. We hope you enjoyed this brief video and thank you for joining us today. Please contact us at any time for a free presentation. We're looking forward to speaking with you.